Welcome back to another episode. On today's episode, we're starting out on top of Kaeng Krachan Dam. Kaeng Krachan Dam is in the town of Kaeng Krachan, and at the bottom of the dam is where the plant is where they produce the power. If you take a look over here. Below the power plant along the river, there are many hotels, and if you'd like, you can take a float right down the river. Alright, we floated to the end of the line. The truck just came here to meet us, so we're gonna head out of here. What a ride! We are now going to take a boat to Monkey Island. We're on the lake on top of the dam that I just showed you. We're on the lake now. Come on, let's go. Hop on. As the monkeys hear our boat approaching the island, hundreds of them start chasing after us. Yeah, you take the rest. There's one on the front. There's one on the front of the boat.
How's it feel? It's okay. Let's just look for snack.
I don't know about that.
You okay? Then I go sit.
There's also an island with a temple on the lake on top of the dam. So there's monkeys on an island and a temple on an island. We parked at the island with the temple, and we're going to take a walk up the stairs and take a look at it. The name of the island is Ginseng Island, and it is a Buddhist meditation center. Also along the lake is Kaeng Krachan National Park. Behind me here is the suspension bridge inside of the park. When you're on the suspension bridge, it says no bicycle, so don't bring your bicycle, and a maximum of 15 people on at a time. And be careful, it's missing a few boards, and when you walk on it, it sways side to side. So maybe leave grandma at home. that concludes another episode. Don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button, and
we will see you next time.